welcome to the show called Beyond Our Galaxy. We now continue our journey through our solar system. With our space probe to our next planet, Jupiter. But first, our space probe must journey through a very rough spot in our solar system. The asteroid belt is located between Mars and Jupiter. If we Earthies can endure this rough journey through the asteroid belt, alien life forms on other worlds might exist. We finally now make it through the asteroid belt. We arrive in the outer solar system, or what is called the superior planets. Planet Jupiter, king of the gods. Here is what the symbol of Jupiter looks like. The outer planets are also called the superior planets because they are bigger than the inner planets. Earth as compared to Jupiter. So, could we Earthlings live on the biggest planet in our solar system? In all reality, Earthlings most likely could not survive on Jupiter. The GRS, or Great Red Spot on Jupiter alone, has winds up to 200 miles per hour. It would definitely blow the hair back on us Earthlings.
Whoa! I want to go back to Earth.
The Great Red Spot. The other interesting thing is that the GRS would literally swallow 2 Earth. Here is a view of Jupiter from one of its moons. The jet stream belts on Jupiter alone moves in reverse of the planet's movement as well. The next picture shows just how big Jupiter is in the night sky as compared to Venus.
Captain, look, can you believe the size of that planet?
Well, we Earthlings know now that we can't possibly survive on this planet, so it's time to move on to the second largest planet in our solar system.
Captain, we can't possibly live on this planet.
Let's move on to Saturn, Lieutenant.
Yes, sir.
We now arrive at the next largest planet. The planet Saturn, god of agriculture. The planet Saturn is also known as the father of Jupiter. Here's the symbol of Saturn. Could Earthlings exist on this planet? In all probability, no Earthling could exist on this planet for a couple reasons. Saturn's chemical makeup does not match up with Earth's. Plus, there is another reason why Earthlings could not live on Saturn. Saturn rotates in 10 hours and 14 minutes. Saturn orbits the Sun in 29 years, 167 days, and 7 hours. Earthlings wouldn't be able to get very much sleep at all. Plus, the seasons wouldn't match up with Earth's. Everything would be very wacky. Saturn's north and south poles are flattened out as seen here. Saturn has 18 moons. The moon Titan has been found to contain one element Earthlings need to exist: H2O, or water. But there remains one more reason why Earthlings could not possibly exist on Saturn. Saturn's distance from the Sun is 890 million miles. Planet Saturn would be too cold for Earthlings to live on. Well, it's time now for a brief PSA or public service announcements from your local community television station. So, get yourself another warm cup of coffee or a cool glass of iced tea, and we will be right back with more of Beyond Our Galaxy.
There are many statistics in our lives, but they never matter until we become one. my only son became a statistic. Stand up and be counted to end the cycle of violence.
Log on to thepeacealliance.org to find out how you can get involved.
All right, everyone.
Can we get it quiet on set?
I need track 3 cued and audio ready. Camera 3 on.
On preview and ready to fade.
And we're ready to roll in 5, 4, 3.
2, 1. Music in and fade camera 3.
Welcome to the GRTV studio. In this studio, Grand Rapids Community Media Center members have the ability to bring their experiences to life. If you have a hobby, skill, or experience you want to share,
this is the perfect venue for you to showcase your talents and ideas.
Whether it's a talk show,
that's illegal. You have to keep that in mind. You really shouldn't say things like that on television. All right.
A talent show or a sitcom.
potential writers, directors, actors, or just techies. This is the perfect place for you to hone your skills. Here are the next dates for the available classes. For more information, check us out on our website at www.grcmc.org or stop in at 711 Bridge Street for a personal tour of the facility. Hope to see you there.
Fade to black and music out. All right, that's a wrap, everybody.
We now journey on to our next outer planet. Planet Uranus. Planet Uranus is called the Sky God. Here's what the symbol of Uranus looks like. Could any life forms exist on this planet? Well, let's take a look first at how far planet Uranus is from the Sun. 1,961,900,000 miles. We are now getting farther and farther away from our Sun, which it's getting colder and colder.
Brr.
Life as Earthlings know it could not possibly live on this planet at all. It takes sunlight from the Sun to reach Earth only about 7 minutes. How long does it take the sunlight to reach planet Uranus? It takes about 4 hours for sunlight to reach planet Uranus. It would be very difficult for us Earthlings to get a nice tan at the beach. The Voyagers 1 and 2 space probe provided many beautiful pictures of planet Uranus for us to view. Here are some of those pictures to enjoy viewing for a few seconds. It was a British astronomer who discovered planet Uranus. Uranus also has a total of some 27 moons that orbit it as well. While planet Uranus contains the two most basic chemical compounds needed for life to exist, life could not be possible here. Planet Uranus' aphelion distance from the Sun. Planet Uranus' perihelion distance from the Sun.
Brr, it's getting cold way out here.
Even such life forms as penguins could exist on this cold planet. Temperatures get as cold as minus 355 degrees. Here's one more reason why Earthlings could not live on this planet. Planet Uranus tilts on its axis at a 98-degree angle. Planet Uranus' three big moons are Titania, the largest moon of Uranus, 981 miles big. Oberon is 971 miles big. Umbriel, 726 miles big. We now journey to the last biggest planet in our solar system. Planet Neptune. Planet Neptune, the sea god. Neptune's distance from the Sun, 2,912,000,000 miles. The next picture shows the symbol of planet Neptune. Could life exist way out here at the end of our solar system? In all reality, the answer would have to be no. With the distance of Neptune being almost 3 billion miles from the Sun, Neptune is the opposite of the hottest planet, being Venus. Planet Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun and the coldest of all to survive on. Here are also some beautiful views of Neptune to enjoy as well for a few seconds. Neptune's largest moon is Triton. Planet Neptune has 11 moons in all. Here's a comparison of the size of the last 4 superior planets in our solar system. Here is a comparison of Earth and Neptune in the next picture. Well, we finally journeyed to our last object in the solar system. Pluto, barren, cold, and lonely. Planet Pluto and its moons. Pluto's moons are Charon, Hydra, and Nix. Both these astronomers worked together to discover the last object located way out in our solar system. The next picture shows Pluto's symbol. Pluto has been declassified as a planet in the 21st century. But even though we Earthlings definitely cannot live this far out in the solar system, the big question remains is this. Do you think Pluto should or should not be declassified as a planet? And the debate continues. There have been other astronomers as well who have helped to make advances with the field of astronomy. Here are some more pictures of our solar system to briefly view and enjoy. Why should we want to know who the past astronomers were? By getting to know who the astronomers and scientists were who helped make the advances to this field of study, it will help us to better our understanding of this most fascinating study of science called astronomy.
What is it?
I don't know, Lieutenant.
You think we should check it out, sir?
Are you willing to take the risk, Lieutenant?
Yes, sir. I'm ready for an adventure, sir.
Okay, Lieutenant. Take her in at star-paced speed.
Yahoo! Yes, sir. Here we come.
Be continued. But only time will tell what we Earthlings will find beyond our